Well, good morning. We're here on our tour. Just woke up on, let's see, I know it's the Scenic Lookout, but there's some memorial stuff here of John Muir. Pretty epic way to wake up in the morning, I tell you. I'm sure my phone's not doing it any justice, but beautiful spot. That's what I just did. Oh, as I almost fall.
That's crazy.
Off-roading in a E250. Way to go, Justin. Sorry about the shaky camera view. Enjoying a nice evening here by the lake as it starts to rain, as we chill by the fire. Out for an evening paddle. And man, is it ever gorgeous out here. Absolutely exquisite. The calm, the serenity, the beauty, even the temperature. Absolutely love it. This is, sorry about the shaky camera, Crown Land Camping at its finest. Home sweet home for the next 2 nights. What was the name of this lake again? Look at these small but beautiful little falls. I came in this way, which is the extended arm from the lake to this little culvert, which turns into these little falls, into this other little lake area. Just found these awesome waterfalls. Thought I'd come down and get a better look. Woo! And it's a whole other delta area down here off of the original spot that we went to, which is up there at the top of the falls, of course. Woohoo! Crown Land Camping. It's the only way to go. absolutely peaceful out here. Looking back, way back there, it's our camp.